Beyond the illusion of a steady paycheck lies a different path. True wealth isn't just about what you earn, it's about what you keep and multiply. You get paid every 2 weeks, yet somehow, your money disappears. What if your paycheck has been lying to you? Because income doesn't create wealth. Discover the wealth journey nobody taught you.
You did everything right. You sacrificed your youth for a degree, polished your resume, and fought for a seat at the table. You finally secured the salary you always wanted. So why does it feel like you are still drowning? The single greatest financial deception of the modern era is the belief that a bigger paycheck will make you wealthy. Your paycheck isn't your path to freedom, it's the anesthesia they give you to forget you are trading your life for survival. Income is nothing more than raw material. And right now, that raw material is being quietly siphoned away before it ever hits your pocket. We need to identify these hidden leaks before they drain your future. Today, we shatter the illusion. Using automated tools, we can bridge the gap between survival and freedom. A simple 10-minute setup ensures your money moves into high-yield vaults automatically. Welcome to the wealth journey they deliberately kept out of the classroom. It is time to take control and stop the siphoning of your hard-earned life force. Stop the leaks, start building real wealth today. Your journey to true financial freedom begins now. Welcome to Wealth Tech Simple, where we make personal finance and investing crystal clear. Subscribe and start building your future today. Let's look at a statistic that should terrify you. Nearly half of all Americans earning over $100,000 a year live paycheck to paycheck. How is it that people making more than 90% of the world feel broke? It's driven by a psychological mechanism known as lifestyle inflation. The moment your income scales, your baseline shifting mechanism leaps forward. The upgraded lease, the premium organic subscription, the convenient luxury services, you aren't actually building wealth. You're just financing a more comfortable cage. Your paycheck didn't make you rich. It just made you an expensive consumer. To break free, you must realize true wealth isn't measured by what you display to the world. It is measured strictly by what you control. High income without proper structural management is a high-speed illusion. Look closely at how capital flows. Most people focus entirely on the size of the fire hose, the raise, the promotion, the side hustle. But they never patch the leaks at the bottom of the bucket. These leaks are silent. They hide in creeping subscription models, unchecked microtransactions, and the insidious, invisible tax of depreciating assets. Every time you buy something that loses value the second you walk away, you are creating a permanent hole in your wealth engine. If your income stops tomorrow, how many days can you actually sustain your current life? That number, not your credit card limit or your gross salary, is your true financial net worth. Measure what you control. Start patching your wealth engine today. Patch leaks now. So, how do you re-engineer the machine? The traditional blueprint dictates that you pay your rent, pay your bills, spend on your lifestyle, and save whatever is left over at the end of the month. This strategy fails 99% of the time because human psychology ensures that nothing is ever left over. The wealthy operate on a completely inverted system. They treat their savings and asset acquisition like the absolute most aggressive, non-negotiable bill they owe. The moment capital touches their account, a mandatory 20% or 30% is automatically routed into a separate investment ecosystem before human emotion can intervene. You don't build wealth by accumulating leftovers. You build wealth by deploying capital automatically. Are you caught in the one-account trap? Most people keep their bills, savings, and groceries in a single account, creating financial chaos. This makes every dollar look incorrectly available for spending. It is like a glass jar overflowing with gold, but with no plan for where it goes. To break free, you need cash sweeping. This high-tech strategy automates your wealth by routing your income into specific, purpose-driven destinations automatically. Imagine your paycheck hitting a digital funnel and instantly splitting into 5 vibrant cylinders: bills, emergency, invest, opportunity, and finally, your lifestyle spending. By automating these sweeps, you remove human emotion and friction. You are finally spending what is left after investing, instead of saving what is left after spending. This system turns your standard paycheck into a sovereign wealth-building engine, providing you with long-term security and total financial peace of mind. Audit your accounts and set up your payday sweeps today. Follow the cash sweeping blueprint to build your financial future on autopilot. Society teaches you that a high credit score is a badge of honor meant to buy things you can't afford: cars, clothes, and vacations, leaving you to pay banks massive interest for the privilege of looking wealthy. To the elite, a credit score is entirely something else. It is a weapon of leverage. The wealthy don't use credit to consume. They use credit to acquire. They use low-interest institutional debt to secure cash-flowing real estate, businesses, or tax-advantaged assets. The asset pays off the debt, while they pocket the profit and write off the taxes. It is the fundamental difference between financial slavery and financial sovereignty. Stop using your credit score to impress strangers, and start using it to fund your autonomy. Knowing the truth means nothing without immediate execution. Right now, we are resetting your matrix. Within the next 24 hours, you must execute 3 structural shifts. Step 1. Perform a ruthless financial audit. Print your last 3 bank statements and aggressively circle the hidden leaks draining your cash flow. Step 2. Automate the friction. Call your bank or log into your portal and set up an automatic, non-negotiable transfer on payday. That routes your capital straight to an investment vehicle before your hands can touch it. Step 3. Redefine your metrics. Delete the apps that tempt you to consume, and shift your focus from chasing a higher paycheck to tracking your growing baseline of monthly cash flow. Execute the reset now. Escaping the paycheck trap requires a massive identity shift. You must transition from viewing yourself as an employee who sells time to viewing yourself as a sovereign entity that accumulates assets. Every dollar you successfully redirect and invest is not just money, it is a digital worker. A worker that never sleeps, never complains, and works 24 hours a day to buy back your freedom. When you have enough of these workers compounding in the background, your earned income becomes entirely optional. The trap dissolves not because you started making more money, but because you built a machine that outpaces your labor. The path of least resistance is designed to keep you walking on a treadmill for 40 years. But today, you saw the blueprint. You know why your paycheck has been lying to you, you know where the leaks are, and you know exactly how the game is won. The choice is no longer about ignorance. It is entirely about discipline. Step off the treadmill, break the cycle. Your true wealth journey doesn't start next month, next week, or tomorrow. Your journey starts right now. Thank you so much for watching. Click here to keep learning and leveling up. Don't forget to subscribe to join our community. Let's build your financial freedom together.